If you've ever thought about making money in the pet niche but stopped because building a real website feels overwhelming, this video is for you. What if you could launch a professional pet authority website in minutes, already loaded with content, reviews, products, and monetization, without writing a single word or touching design or tech? Today, I'm breaking down Pet Authority Fortune, exactly how it works, who it's for, and whether it's worth your money. Stick around because I'm also giving away exclusive bonuses you won't get anywhere else. Let's be upfront. Pet Authority Fortune is not a get-rich-quick tool, but if your biggest struggle is starting from zero, wasting weeks on setup, or never launching at all, this solves that problem very well. This is a solid, done-for-you foundation for people who want a real website, real branding, and real monetization in an evergreen niche. Pet Authority Fortune is a done-for-you WordPress pet authority website. It comes preloaded with pet care articles, affiliate product reviews, ready-to-sell digital products, interactive tools that keep visitors engaged, a clean, professional design, built-in WooCommerce monetization. This is for new affiliate marketers, beginners who hate tech, people tired of empty blogs, anyone who wants a real asset, not just links. The main objection it solves is simple. I don't know how to build a website or create content. This removes that roadblock completely. Once you import the site into WordPress, everything is already set up. You'll see a complete homepage that looks like a real pet brand. There's a blog section with SEO-friendly articles already published. There are affiliate review pages ready for you to add your own links. You also get a digital store with products already added, plus interactive pet tools that increase engagement and repeat visits. WooCommerce is built in, so payments, customer accounts, and downloads are handled automatically. You can edit text, swap links, or add new content anytime. No coding, no design work, no confusion.
Hey, it's Don here. Welcome to Kitty Store Fortune. In this demo video, I'll walk you through my latest product, the Done-For-You Kids Store, and how to install it. As you can see, we have a beautiful professional website here with everything pre-designed and preloaded. Attractive slider design with kitty style that instantly grabs attention. We then have shopping by age, featured products, bestsellers, and more. And then we have a section where customers can click the filter buttons to view the printable type they want. The product page is clean and optimized for user experience and conversion. Everything is designed to eliminate all the hard work on the store owner's end. User flow is designed to be extremely simple. So when I say it's a done-for-you store, I really meant it. This is a website with pre-done copy and graphics. All the products come ready to sell right out of the box. Just install, plug a payment method, and you're ready to go. Here's the main shop page with product listings and quick filters. Customers can filter by price range and categories and sort products through multiple options. Let's take a look at a store customer's perspective. The site also comes with a beautiful, clean, and easy-to-use account system. Customers can view their order and access the purchased materials easily. So let's see how easy it is to install the site. I have a fresh WordPress site here. Let's go to its admin dashboard, go to Plugins, and install the backup plugin. WP Vivid is my preferred plugin, but I provide files for all-in-one WP migration as well. After installing and activating the plugin, we can upload the provided backup file and start installing. After uploading the file, we'll begin restoring the backup. The installation time depends on your hosting's performance, but with my setup, you can install the site on any average hosting in 5 to 10 minutes. After the installation is done, you'll have a fully done store, ready to work right out of the box. This Done-For-You Kids Store is perfect for anyone who wants to tap into the profitable kids printable and educational market, and is great for anyone who's looking to build a high-potential e-commerce business with 99% of the work done for them. I repeat, 99% of the work is done. Just install, plug in any preferred payment method, and this store is ready to run. So if you're looking to start a real online business in the booming kids niche, offer products parents and teachers will love, and build a store that brings in profit month after month, Kitty Store Fortune is your ready-made path to make it happen. And right now, It's available with early bird access. So you can grab the entire package for just a fraction of what it would cost to design, create, and set up even one part of it from scratch. Don't wait. Lock in your early bird deal today, and I'll see you inside.
Here's a quick look at the optional upgrades. OTO1 is the upgrade package, usually around $37. You get more articles, more reviews, more products, more apps, plus commercial rights. Good if you want a bigger site faster. OTO2 is the marketing materials upgrade. This includes social media templates, ad creatives, a custom GPT builder, and a full year of email newsletters. Great if you struggle with promotion. OTO3 is hosting and website management. This is a yearly option for people who want everything handled for them, including speed, security, and backups. OTO4 is the profitable store bundle, multiple done-for-you stores you can run or sell with full licenses. OTO5 is the web agency fortune bundle. This is for people who want to sell websites to clients using done-for-you assets. All upgrades are optional. The front end works on its own. If you pick up Pet Authority Fortune through the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus stock designed to help you get traffic and conversions faster. Here are just some of the bonuses you'll receive. Bonus 1, a website speed optimization plugin to improve load time and reduce bounce rate. Bonus 2, a professional slideshow builder to showcase reviews, offers, or videos. Bonus 3, a lead generation plugin to help you build an email list from day one. Bonus 4, a countdown timer tool to increase clicks and urgency inside emails and pages. Bonus 5, a keyword research tool to find buyer keywords for free traffic. Bonus 6, an article analyzer to optimize content for search engines. Bonus 7, a social media automation tool to drive traffic without ads. Bonus 8, a video engagement plugin to keep viewers watching and clicking. Bonus 9, an affiliate system so you can recruit others to promote your site. Bonus 10, step-by-step training on list building, traffic, and monetization. These bonuses alone can save you hundreds and are included free when you grab Pet Authority Fortune through the link below. I'll remind you about these bonuses again before the end. So here's the bottom line. If you want a shortcut into the pet niche with a real website that looks established from day one, Pet Authority Fortune is worth considering. It removes the hardest part, which is setup, structure, and content. Right now, the price is heavily discounted and the bonuses are only available for a limited time. Once the launch ends, the price goes up and the bonus stock disappears. If you're serious about building something real, click the link below now. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full traffic strategy next. To get Pet Authority Fortune and all the exclusive bonuses I mentioned, click the link below this video. After purchase, your bonuses will be delivered instantly. Take action now while everything is still available.